Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simulate your display with cutout on your Android phone, especially if you have Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So here we go. All you have to do now, you can go to the settings and turn on a developer option. In order to turn on developer option or enable developer option, from your about phone, you can tap a model number at the about phone option. You can tap repeatedly until the notification pop up. Developer option is on from your settings, so you can access in the advanced settings or additional settings the developer option. So here, tap on developer option, and here use developer option. Now you can scroll down and find display cutout in the drawing section. So here you can see there is some cutout. This is the example. So you can use hide, corner cutout, double cutout, punch hole cutout, tall cutout, waterfall cutout, and render apps below cutout area. So different Android different cutout options. So the result may vary, so you can choose or simulate with the cutout based on your device. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.